Hi, I'm Andre. One thing I love about the culture in PartSource is everyone's very welcoming, right? Again, coming from a background of which that I didn't really have much automotive knowledge. You don't need to be an automotive buff, which I really appreciate here in this industry. So one of the things that's helped me grow as an assistant manager is the hands-on approach that a lot of the managers and a lot of the regional managers have. One of the things that I really appreciate is no matter what, everyone's just one phone call away. Nobody keeps anything too close to the chest. They're really transparent. They really show me the ins and outs, the why behind the what. And I'm one of those big people who understand so much more when you show me the why behind the what. The conversations I have with my coworkers and the conversations I have with clients on a regular basis. One conversation at a time makes me feel like I actually am helping people, and it's giving me a sense of purpose, and at the same time it is also making me feel like I'm doing good for the community and people around me. So if you're looking for purpose, a place to challenge yourself and growth, there's a place for you here.